सुना दे इंग्लिश में क्या क्या आता है आपको, बता दो।
इंग्लिश में आप लोग
उनसे इंग्लिश में फुल आती है।
इंग्लिश में आप लोग क्वेश्चन करो तो हम आंसर।
So what do you do for your day-to-day life?
Yeah, I beg.
You beg.
Yes.
And what do you eat in lunch or dinner?
Whatever the Almighty gives me, I'm happy in that.
Oh, that's really great. And what except begging, what do you do for at the daytime? I say.
I'm a singer and a dancer.
Oh, you are a singer and a dancer.
Yes, sir.
So, do you know
My name is Sunny Baba.
Oh, Sunny Baba. So, do you know any English song?
Yeah, but old song, not new.
Okay, it's fine. Will you please sing it for us?
Why not? Which one? Put your sweet lips a little closer to the phone. Let's pretend that we're together all alone. I'll tell the man to turn the jukebox way down low. And you can tell your friend that with you he'll have to go. Whisper to me, tell me, do you love me true? Or is he holding you the way I do? Though love is blind, make up your mind, I've got to know. Should I hang up, or will you tell him he'll have to go?
That's really nice. Nice song.